children. How are you all today? Great! Today, we are here to learn new things. My name is Teacher Jarvis, your English teacher for today. Our topic for today is about sorting and classifying objects. But before that, here are the objectives that you need to attain at the end of our lesson. Objectives: identify the familiar objects that can be seen in their surroundings. Sort and classify objects into basic categories. Actively participate in activities by observing, identifying, and sharing ideas about the familiar objects that can be seen in their surroundings. Are you ready for our lesson for today, class? Great! Let's get started! I wonder if you have any idea about what is sorting? Excellent! Sorting is grouping objects according to the shape, size, colors, and textures. For example, the shape of rectangle, the color red hearts, and the soft blanket. Is that clear, class? Alright! Now, if sorting is grouping objects according to their shape, size, or color, what about classifying? Aha! Classifying is naming objects where they belong. For example, the horse, the bird, and the cat is classified as animals. Is that clear? Fantastic! Class, I'm gonna read a story. Are you ready to listen? Good! Let's get started! One Saturday morning, Father and Suhado went to the farm. Suhado was very happy feeding the ducks, the chicken, and the pigs. Class, what did Suhado feed? That's right, Suhado feed the ducks, chickens, and pigs. After feeding them, they went to the garden to gather the okra, ampalaya, the eggplant, and the string beans. Again, what did they gather? Very good! They gathered okra, ampalaya, eggplant, and string beans. While Suhado was going around the farm, something caught her attention, for they were very beautiful and colorful. She went near them and picked some roses, some gummellas, and some flowers. Class, what again did Suhado pick? Very good! She picked some roses, gummellas, and some flowers. Now, chicken, ducks, and pigs are classified as what? You're right, they are classified as animals. How about the okra, eggplant, and string beans? That's correct, they are classified as vegetables. What about the roses, the gumamela, and the sunflowers? Very good, they are classified as flowers. Do you understand it now, children? Great! Let's try to answer the following. Class, here is the direction for our activity. Choose the correct category for the following objects. For the first one, the head, the hands, and the nose. What do you think is the answer? You're right! The answer for the number one is the body parts. Because the head, the hands, and the nose belong to the body parts. How about the third one? We have the cabbage, the okra, and the eggplant. Which category do you think they belong? Correct! They belong to the vegetables. How about this? Your father, your sister, and your brother. Which category do you think they belong? Great job! They belong to your family members. What about the last one? We have Nara, Akasha, and Melina. Which category do you think they belong? Very good! They belong to the trees. You did a great job today, children. Give yourself a round of applause. Do you have any questions? If none, I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Again, I am Teacher Jack, your English teacher. See you again